Today, I'm revealing the ultimate game user settings to give you buttery smooth gameplay and the highest FPS possible. After applying these settings, your Fortnite performance will skyrocket to pro levels. So, if you're ready to dominate the island, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's dive right in. To start, set your game to full screen mode unless you're using a stretched resolution, which can be glitchy. Windowed full screen works better for stretched res users. Disable VSync, as it tends to negatively affect performance. Set your FPS limit to match your monitor's refresh rate or what your system can reliably support. Switch your rendering mode to performance mode for the best results. This option works well for both AMD and NVIDIA GPUs, outperforming older settings like DirectX 11. For display settings, adjust the brightness to 150, set the user interface contrast to 1x, and use the Try-to-Nope colorblind mode at a strength of 7 to 10. This mode enhances visibility. Turn off user interface PX and keep the 3D resolution at 100 for quality visuals. Lowering it to around 90% can help. Avoid going below 70% as that severely impacts game quality. Turn off Nanite virtualized geometry for smoother gameplay. Adjust the view distance based on your needs. Set it to far for better visibility if you snipe often, or near for improved performance. Lower textures and meshes to minimal settings and enable Show FPS to track performance. Lastly, disable the Report Performance Stats option. To unlock hidden tweaks, navigate to your gameusersettings.ini file. To get started, head over to your search bar. Here, type %local app data % and press OK. Once the folder opens, press the F key on your keyboard to quickly locate the folder, or scroll down to find Fortnite game. Open this folder, then navigate to Saved, followed by Config, and then Windows Client. Inside, you should see a file named Game User Settings. Right-click on this file and select Properties. In the Properties window, ensure that the Read Only checkbox in the Attributes section is not ticked. Now you're ready to open the file and start making edits. Double-click on it and update the following settings. Stop rendering background. Set to false, use GPU crash. Debugging, set to false. Motion blur, set to false. These changes will reduce resource usage and improve frame rates. Next, disable mouse acceleration by setting Disable Mouse Acceleration to True. For texture settings, find Download High Res MIPS and set it to false. Finally, adjust your frame rate limit to 3 FPS lower than your monitor's refresh rate. For instance, if you use a 240Hz monitor, set it to 237 FPS. This ensures smoother rendering and prevents performance dips caused by unnecessary GPU strain. Save your changes, recheck the Read Only box, and close the file. For NVIDIA users, open the NVIDIA control panel by right-clicking on your desktop. In the Manage 3D Settings tab, find Low Latency Mode and set it to Ultra. Next, adjust your desktop color settings. Increase the digital vibrance for more vivid visuals and tweak the brightness or contrast to suit your preferences. A bright, vibrant setup can make gameplay more enjoyable and improve visibility. Apply the changes when finished. To start enhancing your Fortnite experience, first grab the Fortnite Performance Pack from my official website. The link is in the description below. After downloading the pack, extract it to your desktop. Begin by opening the registry folder and install each registry file individually. Once that's done, launch Fortnite in the background and then run the Process Lasso tool. To get the best performance, begin by adjusting your PC's power plan settings. Choose high performance to ensure your PC is running at its peak. Make sure to uncheck the Pro Balance, Smart R, and Idle Saver options. Disabling these features will free up critical resources for your game. After that, activate Performance Mode to enhance your system's efficiency and ensure smoother gameplay. Next, go to the Options section, where you'll find settings for memory and SmartFrame. Enabling these will help your PC manage its memory better while you're in-game. Then, head over to the Active Process tab. Locate Fortnite in the list, right-click it, and set the CPU priority to high. This prioritizes Fortnite's performance. Adjust the CPU affinity to ensure Fortnite uses all cores, except Core 0 for better processing. For a smoother experience, right-click the Fortnite process again and go to the Input/Output section. Set this to high to reduce input delay. Make sure your power settings are optimized for maximum performance. Right-click the Fortnite executable, go to the More tab, and set Hard Throttle to No Throttle to avoid slowdowns during intense gameplay. Finally, make sure Fortnite is excluded from Pro Balance mode to avoid interference from other processes, and turn off the idle saver option. Once you've made all these changes, minimize the process lasso tool. It will continue running in the background to ensure that Fortnite always has the best possible performance every time you start your PC. To get started with GEARUPBOOSTER, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GEARUPBOOSTER. Now guys, open the Windows settings, navigate to the System settings, and click on Storage in the left menu. Make sure to activate Storage Sense to help automatically manage your disk space. I recommend setting it to run weekly as it keeps your system clean and can noticeably improve your storage efficiency over time. Next, go back to the System settings and scroll down to the Remote Desktop option. Disable it, as most users won't require this feature. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure it's turned off, which can reduce unnecessary resource consumption. Now, under System Settings, select About and then click on Advanced System Settings. In the Advanced tab, find the Performance section and click Settings. By default, your system might be set to Best Appearance for visual effects. To boost performance, switch this to Best Performance. But be sure to keep these 4 options enabled. Enable Peak, show thumbnails instead of icons, show window contents while dragging, and smooth edges of screen fonts. These settings help maintain a balance between performance and usability without a noticeable loss in appearance. Finally, click Apply and then OK to finalize your changes. Next, optimize the paging file, which serves as virtual memory. To begin, search for Advanced System Settings and select it. In the Performance section, click on Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click Change in the Virtual Memory section and ensure the box labeled Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives is checked. Afterward, click OK and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. This adjustment helps improve system performance by allowing more efficient memory management. So, guys, that was today's video. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, check these more helpful videos. Peace out.